Hey DeMonte, it's Miss Allison, your English teacher. I'm going to make this quick video to show you how to access class in hopes of you doing so tomorrow, and then we can hopefully meet in office hours later this week to go over some more specifics, okay? So I'm on Schoology right now. You should have access to this. I know I've seen a few things from you here a while back. When you go to Schoology, you're going to click on courses. Now, obviously this is for English, but the rest of your classes will also show up. So for English specifically, you can see here that I have your update. This will be updated by 8 o'clock every morning, and this is going to tell you the plan either for the day or sometimes 2 days, depending on what we're doing. So this one you can see is for Wednesday and Thursday, and it outlines what we are doing in class. DeMonte, you were a part of the blue group, which means you're going to be with me from 8:30 to 9. We meet on Microsoft Teams, and when we look at Microsoft Teams, we go to the team that looks like English class, and we're going to meet here where it says blue, group blue. Okay, so we meet there from 8:30 to 9 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. What do I do when I'm not in a meeting with Miss Allison? So there is still work to be done, and down here it explains your asynchronous work. I'm going to show you how to get there. So you're going to click on materials right up here, and yours will look different than mine. I have some extras. But you're going to look here in the green Seed Folks folder. This is the book that we are currently reading. All right. So DeMonte, there's a couple things you're going to need to know. The first is your notebook. So you're going to click on this and it's going to bring you to, it's going to open here, your Seed Folks notebook. This is a digital notebook. So this is where you will keep all of your work for Seed Folks. Now there's an instructional video in here, so I'm going to point you to that. You don't need to watch it again, right? Like we'll watch it in the notebook. I'm not going to explain everything here, but in this video it shows you where to go, what to do, what you need to be working on. Okay? So that's what we're working on right now. You will also notice that we have work for each set of days. So for instance, we had an assignment for Monday and Tuesday. The next one is for Wednesday and Thursday. So the goal is anytime you're not in a synchronous session with me, you're working on that extra work while you're waiting for that time between 8:30 and 9:45. So for example, on Wednesday, you don't have class, so you have time to work on your notebook. Thursday, you'll come check in with me in class, we'll do a mini lesson, and then you'll have a little bit of time left to finish that notebook, okay? So when you click here, it'll open up a new assignment for you and has your directions, as well as you should see an invite to your meeting for when we are meeting together, all right? So guys, I know this is a very quick video, but DeMonte, I hope you find this helpful, and like I said, I would love to meet with you in office hours later in the week. I will have them on Thursday and Friday. If you have more questions or need more from me, or you can email me to reach out. This is unfortunately kind of a busy week, so I don't have a ton of time to set up extra meetings right now, but I would love, love, love to connect with you in office hours and see how you're doing and just help you out. All right, thanks guys.